Hi children, so we discussed till function of leaf in the previous class. So today we will see about flowers, right? So flower is also one of the part of the plant. We all know that it is the most beautiful part of the plant, right? Flowers give beauty to the plant, right? Flowers, they provide natural beauty to the plant. So in the picture we have seen, we have shown you rose, which is one of the most famous flower. Then we have lotus, and then we have sunflower here. So like that we have many flowers in nature, like we have lily, we have tulips, jasmine, hibiscus, dahlia plant, and you can get hundreds and thousands of different kinds of flower. So flower give beauty, right? There are many colors, they are in many shapes, they are highly attractive, and they have a pleasant smell, right? Smell of certain flowers like jasmine flower is so beautiful, right? Fine. So another flowers can also be consumed, right? We eat flowers in our food, like cabbage, right? We have cauliflower, cabbage, and this is called as broccoli, right? Broccoli. So some flowers can also be eaten, and some flowers are natural beauty, and we use flowers for decoration, and sometimes girls and ladies wear these flowers on special occasions. Fine. So flower is one of the important part of the plant, right? And they give very pleasant smell. And some flowers, children, turn into fruits. So let us see. So here we can see that this is a pomegranate plant, right? Pomegranate flower fruit is very common for you all. So in the beginning the fruit does not grow by itself. First that plant gives the flowers. As you can see, we have a flower here, right? Pomegranate flower, right? That flower then turns into this fruit, pomegranate fruit. So a fruit comes out from a flower, children. Not all flowers become fruit, but fruits come from flowers, right? So from flowers we are moving into fruits, children, right? So what are fruits? Fruits are fleshy part of the plant. They are soft, right? Most of the fruits are soft. They are soft, like just like your human body. Flesh, mamsa iddange irutte. Fine. So they grow from flowers, that we need to remember. And next important point is they have seeds inside them, right? Fruits are soft and fleshy in nature. They grow from flowers and they have seeds inside them, right? Some fruits have only one seed, some have few seeds, but there are other fruits which have many seeds in them. So example for fruit with one seed can be taken as mango, right? I think everyone you might have eaten mango. There is no person on earth who has not eaten mango. Mango is king of fruits. We all know that, right? We call it as king of fruits, such a famous fruit. So when you eat a mango, what do you see inside it? You see only one seed, right? So when you come to pomegranate, when you cut a pomegranate, you have many seeds in that. When you go to apple doesn't have many seeds, but few, maybe 7 or 8 seeds inside it. And there are many fruits which have lots of seeds in it, like we can say guava fruit, perle hannu anta heltivi adana. And then we can take example of custard apple. What is custard apple? Custard apple is Sitafala. So like this, different fruits, some have only one seed, some have few seeds, and some have many seeds. And we can even think about watermelons, right? Watermelon also has many seeds inside it. So this was about fruits. What about again when we come to vegetables? Even vegetables also grow from fruits from the plants. For example, chili, mensinkai, hege barutte. First flower comes, from that again the chili comes. So chili has many seeds inside it. Mensinkai olagade sikkapatte bija irutte. Then you go on thinking example of vegetables with seeds. Tomato, right? Tomato also has seeds in it. Then you can take bitter gourd, that is hagelkai. Bitter gourd also has seeds inside it. So like that, all the fruits, there are very few fruits which do not have seeds, but you no need to bother about it. So you think that all fruits have seeds. Yes, some have only few seeds, some have many seeds. So what is the purpose of this seed? Why do we need these seeds? Right? Seeds are, if you take out those seeds from those fruits, fine, and if you put it in the ground and with the proper care, you can grow it into a plant, children. Right? Those seeds can be put in the ground or inside the soil, and with a proper care, means proper watering and during proper sunlight, and if the condition is warm, seeds can grow into plants, and then it can grow into trees if it is a tree. Fine. So the process by which seeds grow into plant is called as germination, children. So as you can see there, seeds, there are two pictures here. One is a natural picture where a seed is growing into, and another is an animated picture. Fine. So seeds contain small plants in them, right? Seeds, what they contain? Small plants in them. Right? Seeds contain small plants inside them. Right? So how do plants prepare food, children? Plants prepare food by the process called as photosynthesis. We have already discussed it. So how is photosynthesis happening? It happens when leaves absorb sunlight and they absorb carbon dioxide, and roots absorb water. But how? Seeds do not have leaves and roots. So seeds with small plant inside them contain small amount of food also till the plant grows and it comes out, till the plant grows and comes out, and leaves form, and at the same time roots form. Say forming of leaf and roots, they form together, children. It happens together, leaves and formation of roots. So once the leaves are formed, the plants can prepare food by their own. Until then, it gets food from the seed, which stores sufficient food so that the small plant grows into a plant that can prepare its own food. So as you can see, seeds have baby plant inside them. So when seed gets enough amount of air, water, and it should be warm, the baby plant starts growing. So the process by which the baby plants grow from seed is called germination. Fine. So this was the chapter to you. Hope you understood the chapter. Go through the notes, learn the answers, and do well in your essay 1 exams. Thank you, children.